The water in fuel indicator light will illuminate when there is water detected in the fuel-water separator filter. If this light remains on, do not start the vehicle until you drain the water from the filter. If water is detected in the separator filter while the engine is running or while the ignition is in the on-run position, the water in fuel indicator light will illuminate and an audible chime will be heard. At this point, you should stop the engine and drain the water from the filter. The fuel-water separator housing is located inside the left frame rail in front of the fuel tank. The filter drain valve is located on the bottom of the filter housing, so it's best to access it from under the vehicle. To drain water from the filter, within 10 minutes of turning the engine off, turn the filter drain valve counterclockwise. Leave the drain valve open until all water and contaminants have been removed. When clear fuel is visible, you can close the drain valve by turning it clockwise. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information diesel supplement.